In the previous class, DML, insert, update, delete, over, right? Last comment, delete all the data. So delete from table name, all data removed, and select start from table name is what address there. Only header display, right? Header display, all of you. Only header is there, body is not there, right? Now to work with drop and truncate. Drop and truncate require both header and body. Header and body. Now just what do I do? I'll insert two, three records. Means I'm going to create the data again. Okay. Tell me now. Insert into a table name. EMP data values of. Let's take the one. Then what is to one salary, right? Salary 10,000. Location HOD. Comma, comma, 2, then Nani, let's take some 20,000, then which one? Bangalore. I'll take last one, third one, 3, and 30,000, then let's take Pune, that's all. All over, that is semicolon, that's all. Now run the select command, yes. Now both header is there and what is there? Body is there. Body is there. Now let us see what is the drop, what is truncate. What is drop and the truncate. So first we see difference here. We see the difference in the interview drop, truncate, and delete. These three questions are these three very important differences. Difference between drop and truncate. Drop and truncate. Or delete and truncate. Okay, truncate is most important. Truncate is most important. Why? Let us see now. So I'm talking about what now? Truncate. Okay, truncate. All of you observe, we have a full table. Yes or no? Full table is there. Full table is there means the both header is there, body is there. Okay. Now I run the command. What's command? Truncate. Truncate table. Table name is EMP data. That's all. That's command over. That's command. No weird nothing. One truncate table, table name. If run this command, what will happen? All of you observe now. If run this command, first this is what now it will be first one header, right? Header will delete the first one. At the same time, body also delete. Body also delete. Header delete means automatically body also will go. All of you. Plus again, what is happening? Header will recreate. Header will recreate. Body will not recreate. So finally, what is there now? Only header is there. All of you. Initially, both header, body, both will delete. Means full table delete. But immediately what happens again? Header will come back. Header will come back. Body will not come back. That's why only what do we have? Header. Only header is there. That's why generally all understand. Also, what happens here? It will delete. It is there. But actually, what is happening? Both deleting first of all, plus header recreating. Header recreating. All of it clear now. So truncate means what you mean now? It deletes initially both the header and body. Plus it recreate the header. Recreate the header. Okay. That is the truncate. That is what truncate. What is the one? Tell me. What is the one now? Drop. Now all of you observe. Let's talk about the drop command. Okay. We talk about the drop command. Again, I take the table. Suppose imagine now the full table is there like this. Okay. Normally a full table is there. Full table means what here? Both header and the body like this. Now, if I apply the command, what is the query here? Drop table name again now. A table name EMP data. Drop table name. Then what will happen means Allah observe. It deletes what now? Same, deletes header, means header will delete plus, which one now? Body also delete or not recreation, that's all. Both header, body will go. Not recreation, but here recreation is there. Which one for truncate? That's why from the truncate, finally what is remaining? The header. If from the drop or no remaining, both to delete, is full table deleting, and and one more is there. The third one yesterday over. Which one? Delete, and it is a delete also once. You will see delete also once. How it works. All of you. I'm saying now. Delete command. Okay. Delete command. And the same. Imagine now the table is there. The full table is there. The full table is there. All of you. Means both header and body is there. Header and body. Now what's command for the delete? Let me know. Delete from delete from table name emp data, not giving the any where condition. If you don't give the where condition, it removes all the data. It removes all the data. Delete from table name. Then what is happening here? If run the command, then what happens here? It does not touch the header. It removes only what? Only body, because the delete command belongs to which language? DN. That's why what does it do here? Do you know? Deletes what? Body delete here. That's all. Not about the header. And finally, what is there now? If you remove body, header is there. Okay. What is there now finally? Header is there, right? Header is there. Finally, here header is there. Here also finally header is there. So difference all of you. Truncate, delete difference is the most important. If run the both commands, once both running over, output will be same. What's output here? Only header. What's output here also? Only header is there. Both deleting in both cases. All of you. The exact difference is in case of truncate, if from the truncate, first header body both will delete, plus header will recreate. In case of delete, only body will delete, header will not touch also. Header will not touch also. Only body will delete, and header also remaining now. Header also remaining. All of you. Remember, anyone difference between truncate and delete? Anyone tell me difference between truncate and delete, guys? Truncate, delete the difference. Header, that is truncate. In the body, header part. That's why again header is there. In both cases, end of the day, header is there. But in case of truncate, header deleting and recreating again now. In case of this delete, only body going out and does not touch the head also. Okay. And drop means what? Delete both. That's all. No recreation. Delete both. Okay. Right. Now, first we take the truncate better. What do you take now? Truncate keywording. Truncate. Truncate. Truncate command. Right. It will delete both header and body, and recreates header again. Recreates header again. Recreates header again. The syntax here: truncate table, then table name, truncate table name, and the example is truncate table name is what? EMP data. Table name is what here? EMP data. Okay, EMP data. EMP data, EMP data, EMP data, okay. EMP data. Take the example also here. All of you, tell me now. Truncate table. What table name? EMP data. If from this one, if from this one, it deletes both header and body, and immediately what happens again? Header will recreate. Over. Then, if from the select command, what displays will you know? What displays now? Empty set means empty body. Header is there, body is not there. If you want set also, EMP data, you can say again same header is there. Only body is deleted. Allow. Okay, so this example over in the notes, get table, table name, EMP data. Next, drop command, drop command, drop command, drop command. Let me drop. What is drop? Right. It deletes both header and body. It deletes both the header and body, header and body, header and body, and no recreation or no rollback, no recreation. But syntax here: drop table, table name, drop table, table name, and the example is drop table. Table name is what? EMP data. So, right. Let us run the drop also. All of only header is the right. Run the command again, insert command again, so that again data will come. Run the insert again data inserted. Now again we have the full table. Again we have full table. Even now, drop table or table name EMP data. That's all. Now both the header and body both deleted. Select a star from EMP data. What will display now? Error will display. Why error? The table is not there now. Table deleted completely. Header body means what table, right? Now table is not there. Displays error. Error. Table does not exist. Yes, sir. The table is not there. Both header, body, both deleted. Hello. Okay. So this is command now. Drop command, right? If you want to take these three, first one, second one, third one, take these three. Now, in guys, all of you understand about the drop and truncate in online. In online, all over. Right. Now, let's go for the third language. Which D. DRL. If you observe, data I'm using selector star from table name. What is star? What is selector? Now we will discuss DRL. Keep getting all of you. DRL. DRL. Or another name is what? D. DQL. DQL. Ah. You know what is full form? DRL stands for what? Data retrieval retrieval language. DQL means DQL stands for data data query language. Right. It contains only one command, that is which one? Selector. That is selector. That is selector. Right. Now, what's command name? Select commander. Select commander. What is select command now? We'll see. What is the select commander? Select commander. Do you know what is select commander? Okay. So it is used to select the data. Data means both the header and body here. To select on the display. All of it. Okay. So here in the selector, you write the columns names. You have to specify columns, what columns you want to select, not the data. All of you. Suppose we'll take like this. Selector. I'm giving the star, or else I can give in name, comma, salary from EMP data like this. It means what? From this table, I am selecting e-name and salary. That's the meaning. This is the first execution part. From this table, I am selecting. Selecting means displaying here. It means what? Displaying. And displaying what? E-name and salary. E-name means for e-name what values are there? All values will come. For EAD or a salary, what values are there? All values will come. All values means all the rows automatically come. If you select the columns names, the rows comes automatically. All rows comes automatically. Suppose the table dropped, right? And yesterday table created, right? Okay. Going back here, I create the table. I think not yesterday, right? Before the table created. Okay. Now create the table, same name. Create a table. Table name EMP data. Then of EID integer type name, paragraph what? Some 20. Then salary integer type. Then what is one now? Location is which type here? Paragraph 20. That's all. Now from the insert command, yes, very good. Over. I want some other three more rows. All three over, right? I am modifying. This is the 4. And what is the name here? Let's take suppose Amala. And how much here? 15,000. Next one now. 5. Kamala. Then 25,000. Yeah, we include no problem. Then sixth one na. Which one na? Samala na. Samala. Very good. How much here? 35,000. No problem. Like this. Now totally how many rows are there? 6 rows are there. How many? 6 rows are there. Alaf. So now, which command I use now? Select command we use. Select means first of all, we have specified the table name. Without table, there is no data. Without table, no data. First after from, we give the compulsory table name only. Only table name. But table name here, EMP data. Over. It's the first step one, right? From table, means from this table, what you want, then display here. Select, I want EID display, I want ename display, I want salary also display. That's all. So here first write from where you want to get the data. From that one, which data you want display. First of all, specify where is the data. From there, what you want display, that's second step. First step come as second lane, second step come as a first lane. Allow. Okay. So in this table, n number of columns are there. Out of all the columns, I want display EAD, ename, salary. I want display all the columns. Maybe 10 columns are there, 20 columns are there. I want display all. All means star. Star represents all columns, not all the data, not all the rows, only all columns. Star means what? All columns. If you want to get all the columns, a star. If you want to get n number of columns, then what we use? We have specify the column name. Suppose there are 20 columns are there, for example. How many? 20 columns. I want to get all 20 columns, then give the star. I want to get 19 columns, write all the names. I want 18 columns, write all the names. One column, write the name. All columns are star. That's all. If you want to get all, we use the star. Not all. Any n number of columns, let's specify the names. Suppose right now how many columns are there? 4 columns. How many? 4 columns are there. 4 or 6 are? 4 columns are. This EAD column, ename column, salary column, location column. Rows how many are there? 6 rows are there. Okay, right. I want to get all the columns. All the columns. Then star. So select star from table name. But while writing the query, first write the from table name, then above write what you want to display. That's actually written the real name. General practicing a very small one, select star from ENP over. But the real time very lengthy questions will be there, lengthy programs will be there. So you must know how to write first of all. So if you see the comprehensions I told you, from where you start our programs, where you start or else file handling. Generally, what you print off, open off like that. You start with what first open. From there, read the data, then some replace or split, then display data. Display means what? Print. Print actually read first in the line, but executes last actually that one. And when making the query, online query, here is the printer, first word printer. While writing generally, but execution wise, print is the last one. Print is the last one. Here also, query wise, select is the first one. Writing wise, execution wise, select is the last one. Select means what? Display. There printer, here select. That's all. Okay. Then, so copy from here, 2 lines from no problem. Copy 2 lines and paste here. Ask now, copying multiple lines. Okay. That's all. Enter. Or I want 2 columns only. I want 2 columns only. Select first one here from. Table now from. What's table name? EMP data. Just specify the columns names. Select I want display ename comma salary. That's all. Again, what we do? Copy these 2 lines. Copy 2 lines. Then paste here. That's all. See, only names coming. Their salary coming now. So for select, these are the 2 types of syntaxes. One is by using star, but second one by using the list of columns, writing all columns names. Okay. Finally, what do you select now? To select the data, display the data. Okay. Write that one. Select command is used to select display display all the data or some data. Syntax wise, select, we can take the star, otherwise we can take the which one, column list. Second one what here, from table name. From table name is mandatory. For example, one, here, displaying all columns from table. Displaying all columns from table. All columns from table, first one. But second one, displaying the required required columns from table. Right. Now, what is our DDL, DML, and DRL? DRL. Right. Now, all of you open the MyS laptop. All of you open the laptop and open laptop. I'll come on. Please check once, all of you. I think you got the mail. I think you got the mail. Just for practice purpose, an assignment is given in the mail. Check the mail, all of you. If it is there, you practice now that assignment. And you got the message in the WhatsApp, right? Before the class. Is that no? Before class, you got the message in the WhatsApp. What is that one? Tomorrow, all done. Uh, exam. Which one? Uh, which one? File handling. File handling, including RE and comprehensions, programs, for loops, while loops, all in Python, except the loops and exception handling. Those two are not including, remaining all included there. Okay, all of you. So tomorrow you must come to the class 9 to 12 o'clock for all the people. 9 to 12. Okay. So 3 hours time. Can you guess number of questions? 150 now. 150, 1 week over. Only 3 4 was submitted. 3 hours, how it's possible? No, this another number. Around 50, half century. Okay. So 3 hours time. How many questions, sir? 50 questions. You should be very fast now. It's not beginning of the coding, right? Coding over. You have to very active, very fast. Like when they work time. Right. Start it now.